Good morning, everybody. So just a quick one on my little greenhouse I've recommissioned. Let's go inside. So I hope it's not too echoey. I've lined it with bubble wrap inside, as you can see, pretty much all the way around. Hello, dogs. As you can see all the way around, I do have a slatted window down here, which you can open later in the summer when this is all down. And there's a automatic window open up here if it gets too warm. Now, I started everything in January, the end of January. It's now February the 8th, Sunday morning. And this may look very weird to some people. And it's I've essentially put a bit of wire across and another bit of bubble wrap to literally put I don't know, that's about 4 foot by about 1.5 to 2 feet of a section, because I bought, and I'll put a link up, I bought a heater, 2 kilowatt electric heater, and put that in. But obviously it's on a thermostat. It works really well. I'll put a link in the description of the video. So, and it came with a free minimum maximum thermometer, which was great. Let's just show you what I've planted. The heater's on at the moment, so let's go underneath. So this is the minimum maximum thermometer that came with the heater. A bit warm last night, 28. Okay, 13 now at the moment. So the heater's currently going. And I've basically got some capillary matting, some grow bag trays on this old wire. This is an X, one of those stand-up greenhouses. And I've got some tomatoes, both cherry and plum. I'm hoping to make sauce later in the year. My strawberries, bare root strawberries I bought from Amazon for about £6. Started leafing a little bit. Onion, more onion. So it's Bedfordshire champion. So hoping to have plenty of onion. And look, my garlic has started. Hey, I'm pleased with that. So I'll have 10 garlic cloves to plant out later. And then I've got chili peppers. So Tabasco and Anaheim. The Anaheim are milder. The Tabasco are quite hot. My son likes them. And that's it. I'll show you a little shot from outside. So it's a 6x8 foot greenhouse. And I bought this second hand for about 50 quid. You know, an eBay special. It was over 10 years ago now. You can still get them quite cheap or even free sometimes. The downside is you need to dismantle and get all the glass home in one piece if you can. If you can't, getting horticultural glass these days isn't very easy. And in fact, I replaced some of my broken glass with, it's like double-walled polycarbonate. It's specifically for this. The advantage is that it comes in the full-size panel you need, or you can cut it for the half size. That's obviously my automatic window opener. So 50 quid, a bit of time and effort, and I've not used it for several years other than for storage, so I'm hoping this year I'll get something out of it. Let's wait and see. Sit. Sit. My dogs. You waving?